In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add page restrictions in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to control who can view or edit a page to keep your content secure and organized. Open the Confluence page you want to restrict, then click the padlock icon at the top of the page. If you don't see it, click Share and open the Restrictions option. In the Page Restrictions panel, choose the type of access you want. You can allow everyone to edit, let everyone view, but restrict editing, or limit both viewing and editing to specific people. If you choose to restrict access, start typing the name of a user or group in the search field and select them from the suggestions. Then, assign either view or edit permission depending on the level of access you want to provide. After adding the required users or groups, click Apply to save your changes. Once the restrictions are active, you'll see the padlock icon indicating that the page has restricted access. To update or remove restrictions later, simply open the same restrictions menu, make your changes, and save them again. That's how to add page restrictions in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.